Good morning, students. Today I am going to explaining the miscellaneous problems on continuous probability distribution. In last class we discussed the continuous probability distribution, definition, their properties, and few problems on continuous probability distribution. All are discussed in last class. Now I am going to explaining the miscellaneous problems. Here the problem is the probability density function f of x is given by c into e power minus mod x in between minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Show that c is equal to 1 by 2. Then find the mean and variance of the distribution. Also find the probability between 0 and 4. In between 0 and 4. Here we have 4 bits. First one is calculation of c. Second one is mean. Third one is variance. And fourth one is probability between 0 and 4. 0 and 4. Coming to the first one, calculation of c. We have integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. We know this one. This one helps us for the calculation of c. That is minus infinity to plus infinity c e power minus mod x dx is equal to 1. F of x value c into e power minus mod x, and e power minus mod x is an even function, so it can be written as 2c 0 to infinity c e power minus mod x dx is equal to 1. The reason is e power minus mod x is an even function, so minus infinity to plus infinity can be written as 2 into 0 to infinity, and c is a constant. In between 0 and infinity mod x is x, so 2c 0 to infinity e power minus x dx is equal to 1. Mod x is x in between 0 and infinity. Since in between 0 and infinity all values are positive, and integrate 2c e power minus x by minus 1 in between 0 and infinity is equal to 1. That implies 2c into e power minus infinity minus e power 0 by minus 1 is 1. E power minus infinity value 0. So 0 minus 1 by minus 1 is 1. Implies 2c is 1. Then c is equal to 1 by 2. C is equal to 1 by 2. We have minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is 1. That is the second property of continuous probability distribution. F of x value c into e power minus mod x. E power minus mod x is an even function. So minus infinity to plus infinity can be written as 2 into 0 to infinity. In 0 to infinity mod x is x. So e power minus mod x is e power minus x. And integration of e power minus x by minus 1 in between 0 and infinity. Then 2c into e power minus infinity minus e power 0 by minus 1. That is equal to 2c equal to 1. Then c is 1 by 2. Then coming to the next one, second one, mean. Mean mu is or e of x is equal to, mean mu is e of x is sigma integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx, x f of x dx, that is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x c e power minus mod x dx. F of x value c e power minus mod x. This is equal to 0. The reason is e power minus mod x is an even function, x is an odd function, and so product is an odd function. Odd into even is again odd function. So in between minus infinity to infinity, the integration value is 0 whenever the integrand is an odd function. Integrand is even function, so it can be written as 2 into 0 to infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity can be written as 2 into 0 to infinity. Here the integrand value 0. So this integrand value an even function, so integration value 0. Then coming to the third one, variance. Variance, sigma square is E of x square minus mu square. Mu square value 0, already mu 0, so it is directly E of x square. E of x square is integral minus infinity to plus infinity x square f of x dx minus 0, since mu value 0. So it can be written as minus infinity to plus infinity x square c e power minus mod x dx. Since f of x value c e power minus mod x. Here c value 1 by 2. So this is equal 1 by 2 into, next x square is an even function, e power minus mod x is an even function, product of two even functions is even, so it can be written as 2 into 0 to infinity x square e power minus mod x dx. In between 0 to infinity, mod x is x only, so it is 0 to infinity x square into e power minus x dx. Since mod x value x in between 0 and infinity, all are positive values. Then sigma square is equal to, sigma square is applying integration by parts in between x square and e power minus x, that is x square into e power minus x minus x square derivative 2x into again integration of minus e power minus x is plus e power minus x plus 2x derivative 2, again integration minus e power minus x in between 0 and infinity. 0 and infinity. The reason is integral uv dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 and so on. U is the first function, u dash is first hand derivative, u double dash second hand derivative, like that. V second function, v1 first time integration of v, v2 second time integration, v3 third time integration, like that. And between 0 to infinity. Therefore sigma square is, when x is infinity, e power minus infinity value 0. So upper limit total value 0 minus, and when x is 0, it is 0, it is 0. So remaining value minus 2. E power 0 value 1. So sigma square equal to 2. So variance of the distribution is 2. Next one, third one, fourth one, probability between 0 and 4. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. It is nothing but by the properties integral 0 to 4 f of x dx. Probability between 0 and 4. It is a continuous distribution, so 0 to 4. But in discrete case, add all values in between 0 and 4. So that is equal to 0 to 4. What is f of x? C e power minus mod x dx. And what is the value of c? 1 by 2. In between 0 and 4, e power minus mod x. In between 0 and 4, all values are positive, so mod x is x only, so it is e power minus x dx. That equal to 1 by 2 into integration of e power minus x. E power minus x by minus 1 in between 0 and 4, that equal to 1 by 2 into, or minus 1 by 2 into e power minus 4 minus e power 0. e power 0 value 1, so it is minus 1 by 2 into e power minus 4 minus 1. Again it can be written as 1 minus e power minus 4 by 2. That is the probability between 0 and 4. Here total 4 bits are there. One is calculation of C by using integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Second one is mean of the distribution. Formula minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. It is 0 since integrand value an odd function. Variance sigma square is e of x square minus mu square. Then formula where v of x square is minus infinity to plus infinity x square f of x dx. Calculate. And then probability between 0 and 4, that is 0 to 4 f of x dx. Now next problem is a continuous random variable capital X has the distribution capital f of x, not small f of x. It is 0 if x less than or equal to 1, k into x minus 1 whole power 4 if 1 less than x less than or equal to 3, 1 if x greater than 3. Determine small f of x, k, mean. Small f of x represents probability density function. Capital F of x is cumulative distribution. Remember it, capital F of x is cumulative distribution. Small f of x is probability density function. What is the relation between these two? Small f of x is a derivative of capital F of x, or capital F of x is integration of small f of x. So first one, coming to the first one, what is capital F of x? K into 0 if x less than or equal to 1, k into x minus 1 whole power 4 if 1 less than x less than or equal to 3, 1 if x greater than 3. We know that small f of x is equal to d by dx of capital F of x, d by dx of capital F of x. That is the relation between small f and capital F. Therefore, small f of x is equal to, small f of x is 0 derivative 0, 0 if x less than or equal to 1. Next, derivative of x minus 1 whole power 4, 4 into k into x minus 1 whole cube if 1 less than x less than or equal to 3, and 1 derivative 0 if x greater than 3. This is the small f of x. Small f of x is the derivative of capital F of x. The derivative of this one is 0 and it is 4k into x minus 1 whole cube. Next one derivative 0. No change in the interval. Then second bit, how to calculate the value of k? We have integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Total probability or total area is equal to 1 under the continuous random variable. Minus infinity represents lower limit, plus infinity represents upper limit. So it is here lower limit is 1, upper limit is 3, 1, 2, 3. In remaining cases it is 0. What is f of x? 4k into x minus 1 whole cube dx is equal to 1. Then 4k into x minus 1 whole cube integration x minus 1 whole power 4 by 4 in between 1 and 3 is equal to 1. Here 4 cancel, implies k into upper limit 3 minus 1, 2 whole power 4, 16. Next lower limit 1 minus 1, 0, equal to 1. So 16k is equal to 1, then k is 1 by 16. K equal to 1 by 16. Then coming to the mean, third one, mean of the distribution. Mean mu is equal to or E of x is equal to, what is the formula for mean? integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. That is, here lower limit is 1, upper limit is 3. This is the interval. And remaining cases it is 0. 1, 2, 3, x. What is f of x? 4k into x minus 1 whole cube dx. And what is the value of k? 1, 2, 3, 4k. 4 into k value 1 by 16. Remaining x into x minus 1 whole cube, like a minus b whole cube, a cube, x cube, minus 3x square, 3a square b, plus 3x minus b cube into dx. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Simplify. 4 by 16 means 1 by 4. Integral 1 to 3 x into x cube, x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 3x square minus x into dx. That equal to 1 by 4 into integration of x power 4, x power 5 by 5 minus 3 into x power 4 by 4 plus 3 into x square integration x cube by 3 minus x integration x square by 2 in between 1 and 3. That equal to 1 by 4 into 3 power 5 by 5 minus again 3 power 5 by 4 x power 4, 3 power 4 into 3, 3 power 5 by 4. Next here 3 cancel, so 3 cube minus 3 square by 2. That is the value of upper limit minus lower limit 1 by 5 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and simplify it, we get the value of mean, that equal 2.6. Mean mu is equal to 2.6. So what is the value of f of x? It is the derivative of capital F of x. So apply the differentiation in this one, we get the small f of x. How to calculate the k? We know the total area is equal to 1 in between minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity represents lower limit, plus infinity represents upper limit. Here lower limit is 1, upper limit is 3, and integrate, we get the value of k. Mean mu equal to e of x is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. And 1, 2, 3, x minus infinity is 1, plus infinity nothing but 3. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 3. X f of x 4k into x minus 1 whole cube dx. That is 4k values 1 by 16, 4 by 16 x into x minus 1 whole cube. Apply a minus b whole cube, simplify this one and integrate in between 1 and 3 with respect to x, we get the value of mean, that is equal to 2.6. So the mean of the distribution is 6. Pass good, pass good. Now next problem is probability density function PDF of a random variable capital X is f of x equal to 1 by 2 into sin x for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi, 0 elsewhere. Find the mean, mode and median of the distribution. Also find probability between 0 and pi by 2. What is f of x here? 1 by 2 sin x for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi, 0 elsewhere. So what is the lower limit here? 0. Upper limit is pi. So how to calculate the mean? Mean mu is equal to mean mu is or e of x is mean mu is e of x is integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. But here lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi. So it is 0 to pi x f of x value 1 by 2 sin x dx. and 1 by 2 is a constant, and apply the integration by parts in between x and sin x. X into integration of sin x minus cos x minus derivative of x 1 minus cos x integration minus sin x in between 0 and pi. In between 0 and pi, that equal to 1 by 2 into x into minus x into cos pi plus sin pi, upper limit, lower limit, x by 0, so it is 0, sin 0, 0, sin pi is also 0, so it is 1 by 2 into, and what about the value of x? Pi, so minus pi into cos pi value minus 1, sin pi value 0, so its value is pi by 2. When x is pi, it is cos pi, it is sin pi, it is minus cos pi, it is plus sin pi value 0, cos pi value minus 1, and x is pi, so it is pi by 2, and sin 0 is also 0, so total lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi, so the mean of the distribution is pi by 2, the mean of the distribution is pi by 2. Then mode, second one is mode. Mode is this is the first one, mode is it is the second one, value of x for which f of x is maximum, for which f of x is maximum. Mode is the value of x for which f of x is maximum. F of x maximum means calculate first derivative and equate to 0, we get some point, substitute the same point in f double dash of x, we get negative value. So now calculate f dash of x. What is f dash of x? What is f of x? 1 by 2 into sin x. This derivative is 1 by 2 into cos x. So equate to 0. F dash of x equal to 0 implies 1 by 2 into cos x equal to 0. That means cos x is 0. Cos x 0 means x is pi by 2. X is equal to pi by 2. Then calculate second derivative. Now f double dash of x is, equal to, f dash of x is 1 by 2 cos x, f double dash of x is minus 1 by 2 sin x. At x equal to pi by 2, f double dash of x is minus 1 by 2, less than 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1, so minus 1 by 2. So at x equal to pi by 2, f dash of x equal to 0 and f double dash of x negative. Therefore, mode is equal to pi by 2. Mode is equal to pi by 2. Mode is the value of x for which the distribution is maximum. Distribution maximum means it is the solution of f dash of x equal to 0 and f double dash of x less than 0. So first calculate f dash of x, then equate to 0, we get some point, then calculate f double dash of x, then substitute the point obtained in previous step, we get in f double dash of x, we get f double dash of x less than 0. Suppose f double dash of x greater than 0, then it is called minimum point, less than 0 it is called maximum point. So mode of the distribution is x equal to pi by 2. Then third one, median. Let m be the median, capital M be the median of the f of x or continuous random variable. Then 0 to m f of x dx is equal to m to pi f of x dx is equal to 1 by 2. Here what is the interval? 0 to pi. In between median, in between 0 to pi, what is the median? So divide the total interval into two equal parts, 0 to m, m to pi. Both are equal to 1 by 2. Then m is called median. Total interval is 0 to pi, m be the median. Then it is 0 to m plus m to pi f of x dx. Both are equal to 1 by 2. Consider 0 to m. 0 to m f of x. What is f of x? 1 by 2 into sin x. Dx is equal to 1 by 2. Consider this value 0 to m f of x. What is f of x? 1 by 2 sin x. Both sides 1 by 2 cancel. Integration of sin x minus cos x in between 0 to m is equal to 1 after the cancellation of 1 by 2. Then what is the upper limit? Cos m. Lower limit cos 0 is 1. So minus cos m plus cos 0 value 1 is 1. After the simplification, minus cos m equal to 0. Then m is equal to, cos m is 0 only when m is equal to pi by 2. So median is also pi by 2. Mode is pi by 2, mean is pi by 2, median is also pi by 2. All mean, mode and median all are equal only for continuous random variable. So what is the conclusion? Hence mean is equal to, mode is equal to median of a random variable, capital X. Mean is equal to, mode is equal to median of a random variable. Then next one, last one, probability between 0 and 4. P of 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2. This is nothing but integral 0 to pi by 2. In between 0 and pi by 2, what is the function? F of x. What is f of x here? 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 subinterval of 0 to pi. So f of x value again 1 by 2 sin x dx. And integrate 1 by 2 into integral of sin x minus cos x in between 0 to pi by 2. In between 0 to pi by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 into upper limit cos pi by 2, lower limit cos 0. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos pi by 2 value 0, cos 0 value 1. So it is equal to 1 by 2. That is the probability between 0 and pi by 2. Mean here f of x is 1 by 2 into sin x for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Observe this problem, the interval is 0 to pi. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi. Then calculate mean, mode and median. Hence show that mean equal to mode equal to median of the continuous random variable. Also find probability between 0 and pi by 2. First mean mu equal to E of x is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. Here minus infinity is the lower limit, plus infinity is the upper limit, but here 0 to pi. What is f of x? 1 by 2 sin x. So 1 by 2 into x sin x integration by parts, x into sin x integration minus cos x minus x derivative 1, again integration of minus cos x minus sin x, and apply the limits in between 0 and pi. And we know that sin pi is 0, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1 and cos pi is minus 1. Then we get the mean of the distribution pi by 2. Next, mode. In general, mode is the value of small x for which distribution is maximum. What is the distribution here? Probability density distribution. F of x is maximum. Maximum means it is the solution of f dash of x equal to 0 and f double dash of x negative. For this, first calculate f dash of x. That is 1 by 2 into cos x. What is f of x? 1 by 2 sin x. So f dash of x 1 by 2 cos x. Then equate to 0. This term equate to 0. Cos x equal to 0. Cos x is 0. Then x is cos inverse 0, that is equal to pi by 2. Then calculate f double dash of x. Again derivative of f dash of x minus 1 by 2 sin x. Substitute x is equal to pi by 2 in that. We get f double dash of x less than 0. Therefore, x equal to pi by 2 is the solution of f dash of x equal to 0 and f double dash of x less than 0. So, the mode of the distribution is pi by 2. The mode of the distribution is pi by 2. Then, what is the median of the distribution? For this, let m be the median of f of x. Then, lower limit to m, f of x dx is equal to m to upper limit. F of x dx is equal to 1 by 2. What is the lower limit here? 0. 0 to m, f of x dx is equal to m to pi, f of x dx is equal to 1 by 2. Solve any one, either 0 to m f of x dx equal 1 by 2 or m to pi f of x dx equal 1 by 2, we get the value of pi, m. What is m? Median of the distribution. So consider 0 to m f of x dx is equal to 1 by 2. What is f of x here? 1 by 2 sin x. So both sides 1 by 2 cancel. And integration of sin x minus cos x in between 0 to m equal to 1. Then simplify. It is cos m equal to 0. Cos m equal to 0 means m is pi by 2. So mean equal to mode is equal to median of the random variable. Next, probability between 0 to pi by 2. That is integral 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx. Here 0 to pi by 2 is the subinterval of 0 to pi. So in that case also f of x is 1 by 2 sin x. That is 1 by 2 into sin x integration minus cos x in between 0 to pi by 2. That is minus 1 by 2 into cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. That is minus 1 by 2 into 0 minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2. That is the probability between 0 and pi by 2. This is a very important problem. Probability density function of a random variable is given by 1 by 2 sin x in between 0 to pi. 0 elsewhere. Find the mean, mode, median of the distribution and also find the probability between 0 and pi by 2. Stop. Stop.